What I have here today is a hand vac by a company called Umlo. I like this vacuum in particular because in the hand vacuum category it comes with a fairly large dust cup, and I like that. Here we have the hand vac tool itself. With a twist you open it up, you shake out the dust cup, you put it back. On the inside you've got this washable cover. You take the washable cover off and you can remove the filter. It does come with a spare filter, and it comes with this dual end piece. You take that off, you reinstall it, and then you've got yourself a brush tool. Or you can take off the brush tool, goes on the end, and now you've got your standard vacuum opening at the end here. Being able to store these in the stand is a big plus. It comes with the charger, comes with a cleaning brush, user manual, all that good stuff. I've gone down to my car and I haven't vacuumed the floor of the car in a while, so we are going to get a chance to see the Umlo hand vac in action. It's picking up these. I just want to show you that it's picking up these toothpicks. Oh, it works much better with the brush. I have not vacuumed that carpet in about 2 months, and you can see what a good job the Umlo hand vac did. The Umlo handheld vacuum cleaner did a great job. I'm going to be keeping this thing in my car for a while. Thanks Umlo for sending it to me, and thanks everybody for watching.